ideal for individuals who have to deal with water or wetness and require a glove that gives 100% waterproof protection. This is often the case in water treatment works, the construction or installation of drainage and water pipelines or scaffolders. In other words, wherever wearers need a good grip when handling damp or wet components. The HG in the name stands for Hydro Grip. Hydro Grip because it has an outstanding water grip. To achieve this, UVEX developed a new innovative coating that is second to none. Without the Profi Pure HG, we have difficulty holding or moving wet objects, even with our bare hands. The worldwide unique Hydro Grip special polymer coating solves this problem, as it is designed specifically to overcome these challenges. It can also be used in dry environments, offering exceptional grip here too. Unfortunately, the classic nitrile coatings worldwide are not sufficient. On the one hand, they lack water grip, and on the other hand, they become soapy and therefore slippery when exposed to high levels of moisture. This does not happen with the Profi Pure HG. To achieve this, the inside of the glove features a cotton liner, which absorbs moisture, leaving the skin dry and comfortable. The glove also has heat protection according to EN 407, meaning it offers additional protection to contact heat up to 100 degrees, making it very versatile. The glove is dermatologically certified by the ProDerm Institute for its skin friendliness and absence of harmful substances. This means that even those with sensitive skin can wear the glove. The glove is marked with a ProDerm logo to denote that it has been through this testing process. We are very proud of the fact that the UVEX Profi Pure HG is produced in our own factory in Germany. In line with our sustainability concept Protecting Planet, we produce this glove at our carbon-neutral site in Lüneburg, in the north of Germany. This means that we not only focus on sustainability, it also means that we have shorter delivery routes to the majority of our customers.